Hello learners. Welcome to this free Microsoft Excel course, so without any further ado let's begin. Hello everyone. Today, we will learn how we can combine different cells to make one cell. This option can be found in Merge and Center option under Home tab, which allows us to choose from them. Now, if you see these cells are separate as I'm selecting. But, cell which contains merged cells is a single cell. Let's have a look on these options. First, second and third will do in below example. Fourth option is to unmerge the cells to make it normal. Here's the data which we will merge. Now, comes the important part. Every time we merge the cell, it will take the upper leftmost cell data as our return value for merged cells. We'll click on OK and you can see it will show 27 as our merged cell value. Let's unmerge and see what happened with our rest of data. It's gone. Once we merge cells containing data, always remember, everything except upper left value will be gone after you unmerge. Let's see what is different for merge across case. We know, it will take upper left value. Let's press OK. As you can see, merge across will always merge cells in row-wise manner. Let's keep on pressing OK and see what happens. We can see row-wise cells are merged unlike on our left side. Again, if we unmerge them, our rest of data is gone. Always remember, merge and center plays a good role in making attractive headers. That's wrap up for this video. Do check out the playlist for more. Thank you for watching and hit that subscribe button.